Oh, glad you came. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm not 9, 10 years old. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So very happy new year guys, and stay safe because another virus has come. Omicron virus has arrived and it's gonna harm us once again like the coronavirus. So take precautions and do not go out, right? Like try to avoid going out a lot, right? I know you want to, but it's a bit risky, right? So guys, do stay safe. So today we are gonna have a very fun game. We're gonna develop a game from Python, but it is a Halloween game, and you're gonna freak out when you see it, right? So wait a second. Be ready. Okay. So this is the very long code. Yeah. Okay, so this is the code we're gonna do. Okay. So first let me show you the output. Run Mario. You guys are gonna freak out. Okay. Oh my god! Oops. It was too much last time. Wait. This shall be better. Now look. I almost freaked out when I saw it. Okay, so point out 5 things in here. Okay, one I can see. On one we have written and one has not written. Second of the nostril of the witch, right? Did you see that? Oh my god. That was scary, guys. That looked very scary and is scary. If you want to frighten your friends, then give them a surprise on the Halloween. Or you can show it like in these days also. Like I guarantee you they're gonna freak out. They're gonna like they're gonna be like this. Okay? So shall we learn the code? Of course you will say yes because you guys are so eager to learn the code, which is gonna frighten your friends and will get them nightmares. Well, it will frighten your friends, but it has already frightened me. So I don't know what to say, but I'm gonna get a nightmare. So, but you have also seen, so maybe you are also gonna get a nightmare. So be careful, okay? Okay, bigger. So this is very long code. Okay. So first we are doing import Pygame. So Pygame is a library in Python which we use to usually create games. Okay. Then we are doing from time import sleep. So this line means that from time what to say? Yeah, the time is another library, right? So from that you only want the sleep function, okay? From time import sleep. So we have mentioned only one thing, so it will only use the sleep function of the time library. and from random import rand range. So from random library it will only take the rand range function. Okay. Okay, now you're doing pygame.init. Okay, initialize. Okay, so now we are making. You can say that from this pygame.init you can say that from pygame.init you are gonna initialize. So like from this you will create a screen. Okay, so initializing, so like you will create a screen. Okay, and so yeah, if you want to create your screen, first you will have to give the width and the height of the full screen, right? To come, right? So we are saving we are doing with pygame.display.info.current width. So here whatever is my current width, right? When you're if you're watching my video, of course you must be watching my video if you're hearing my lines. Okay, so if you're watching my video, then you should code by side, and then whatever will be the width of your current screen, it will save that width in this width variable which we have made. Okay, so I'm getting the width of the width of my current screen in the width variable, and same we are doing with height. So in the height variable I'm getting the current height of my screen. Okay, now I'm making another variable screen. Pygame.display set mode, width and height. Okay, so you can see that like this is now you're making a variable screen and doing so this line, from this line you're making the full full that screen, right? Okay, so now when we are getting the screen, okay, now we are making a variable difference. We are doing pygame.image load spot the depth. Okay, so this is so big all the time. I will have to run it again. Be ready. Okay, it's gonna blow, it's gonna scream. Okay, so this is the image, the spot the diff image. Okay, this was, I almost cried. Oh my god. Okay, so this the image you saw with which was split in half, and we had to point the difference, that I saved with the name spot the diff. Okay, so right now in the difference variable, this spot the diff, this image is been loaded. Okay, now when we're doing difference, pygame dot transform dot scale difference width and height. So from this it's like what should I say? Okay, so from this, like the image, you're making that image, like you're setting it in the difference variable, and you're making it width and height on your current screen, right? Okay, now you're doing screen dot build difference 0 and 0. Okay, so this basically means when you give 0 and 0, it means from the top left the image will come. Okay, so we have given 0 and 0, so this spot the diff image, as you saw, will came from the top left. Okay, now you're doing pygame.update, pygame.display.update. So from this we are updating the displays value, because first the displays value was like nothing, right? But now the displays value has changed, and the new value of display we have updated. Okay, now we are doing zombie. We are making a variable zombie and we are doing pygame.load scary face. So in the zombie variable, the image is loading the scary face image. Now I just want to not wait. I just do not want to see that terrible thing once again. So I will just go wherever the image is saved, where I don't remember it is saved. Yeah, so this is the scary face image, right? So we wanted to get this. So we are getting we are right now loading once again. So like we are loading this uh, this image in the zombie variable right now. Okay, now from this zombie pygame transform scale zombie width height, so now the this image has set up in the variable and it is ready. Okay, in the zombie variable. Now we are making a variable scream, and we are doing pygame.mixers.sound scream.wave. Okay, so this this is the name. Okay, so we also, as you saw in that game, with the scary face we were also getting this audio. So this we are now saving it in this screen variable. Okay, oh sorry. Now we are doing sleep rand range 5 to 15. So rand range is a function in the random library which we are using. No, first let me tell you the sleep function which is in the time library. Okay, so the sleep function is in the time library, which is like basically you can say that uh, it is used to get the duration, that after this much duration this image should come, right? Like for example I gave, and the range function in the random library will do is it will get numbers to this number and it will pick a random number. Okay, so now it's picking a random number in between 5 to 15, and it will it will keep its duration. Okay, so Now we are doing scream dot play. Okay, so basically, because now we are doing screen dot play, so the audio will get started. It will play on the screen. Okay, then we are doing screen dot build zombie 0 and 0. Okay, so from this, then the zombie images appearing on the screen, and it is coming from the top left. Okay, top left, from the top left of the screen. Okay, and now we are doing the pygame dot display dot update. So we are making the new value. We are updating the value of the display. Okay, so now we do sleep 10. Okay, so basically this sleep 10 means that spot the diff image image will be on our screen for this much duration, and then the scary face image should come. Now you do scream dot stop. That if we didn't do scream dot stop, then the audio would keep on going and going and going. Now when the audio is stopped, pygame dot quit, so it will come out, right, and it will quit the pygame library. And guys, our app is done. Oops, let me minimize. Let's see that terrifying thing once again. Okay, and I will make you guys, oh, you're the smallest right now. Okay, so I'm minimizing you because so that you see it perfectly. Okay, I'm minimizing you so you will not be able to see me. Okay, now let's run this and see. Okay, so first we can see is that this vase has written, and this that was a bit quick, but that was terrifying, like literally. Oh my god. Okay, did you get a heart attack? I really did. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you liked it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Happy New Year guys, and bye guys. Dab! Do subscribe 10x to the kids channel. Dab!